This is how to take a photo with your iPhone using just your voice. If you say, hey Siri, take a photo, it will only open your app. It won't actually take the photo. But let me show you how to make it take your photo and save it. Start by just tapping search here and type in shortcuts and tap here. From here in the top, you're going to hit the plus button in the top right, and you're going to add a new shortcut. The action that you're going to start with is take a photo, and you can choose whether you want the front or back camera, one photo. But what's important is you press right here on this little arrow and turn off the show camera preview. This is important. Next, what you want to do is you want to go down here into search actions and you want to save. And you're going to put save to photos, and then it's going to save to recents. And now you're going to pick done here. And then on this shortcut right here, press on the three dots here, tap on this arrow, and you want to rename this take a photo. Done. Tap done here, and now it's ready. If you ask Siri to take a photo, it will take a photo from your front camera automatically. For over 227 iPhone tips and tricks, check out this video, and I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button while you're here.